Ready to get serious about WaterFed? Not sure which system is right for you? Look no further than ABC's SG series. It's our most popular system for experienced users or those ready to dive in with a top-of-the-line system. You'll love working faster, easier, and safer, and your customers will love the spot-free results. Setup and use are a breeze. The included Quick Start Guide will have you up and running in minutes. With standard tap pressure, the SG1 will clean up to 3 stories. Need to go higher? Easily upgrade to the SG2 at any time to extend your reach and increase your flow. The heavy-duty pump will have you cleaning 6 stories and beyond. All from the safety of the ground. You'll be able to reach previously inaccessible windows, run multiple poles at the same time, and work faster than ever. Add any of our top-quality Triple Crown WaterFed poles, or virtually any other pole, and your favorite cleaning accessories to guarantee an efficient clean on windows, frames, siding, signs, solar panels, and more. The SG series features a sturdy, powder-coated frame, 10-inch run-flat tires, and a simple valve design that allows advanced users to switch between RODI and RO-only modes quickly. The SG2's high output and low cost per gallon to operate make it an ideal choice for heavy users. Single operator? No problem. The SG is easily loaded in and out of a work vehicle. Ready to improve your capabilities and increase your profits by working safer and smarter? Contact us today and start cleaning with the SG WaterFed system from ABC Window Cleaning Supply.